so much to look at here, guys. So much.
They didn't bring it last time to Charlotte.
There's that all-time favorite yellow Porsche and the new one.
I don't know how you can get a flat tire from a frog. They don't even have bones.
Oh, yeah.
No, I was headed home one night. It was late. And there's roads just covered in frogs, and I drive. You know. I drive it home. I pull over. It's on the. That's the biggest back wheel I've ever seen. I can sleep inside that.
Oh, wow. What y'all think about this one? This wide body GTR looks amazing. I think it's awesome. Plenty of people out here. Amazing weather. Good show to be at. Really good. I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to let me put the camera, one of the cameras on their car and watch them go down the track. In the meantime, little Mazda goodness. Oh my God. Turbo. This one I've seen around, I have never seen it in person. This one's awesome. Look, see it through. You good?
Give me 3 feet. Give me 3 feet. Trust me, I have a feeling you'll still be able to hear the cars, as it's just for safety. All right. Squeeze through. Infinity, you ready? We're gonna hear from the black Infinity in 3, 2, 1, go! Do we need to hear from the Integra again? Good answer. Integra, let me hear you in 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, I think that's good. My man with the pizza who's not sharing. Who do you like? Who do you like? How high are you right now? Okay. Let me hear it for the black Infinity. The sympathy vote. Let me hear it for the Integra. Infinity, we're going to have you pull forward. This guy's a beast. He's the beast. This is sounding good. It's sounding good. All right, our black car is going to pull forward. a Z, right? Don't you have a Z you're building? Where is it? Okay. Okay, it's, like cool. Oh, it's okay. Oh, hey, look, you got someone. Hey, you got your 280, there's a 300. That's cool, see? This is the car if you sold drugs in the 80s. This is what you drove. All right, see cars right there. Right there's good. All right, 300 stop. Break middle, break middle, break middle. A lot of C cars coming through today. Yet an Acura holds the crown. 300, you ready? You ready? Says yeah? Okay. All right, Nissan in 3, 2, 1, go! Anthony, you ready? Mr. Hernandez in 3, 2, 1, go! 2-1 cars. Let's see which one stays, which one goes home. Let's hear it for our challenger and the Nissan. Man, your mom's not even in the audience. What about the Integra? Well done, we appreciate you pulling up. Hey, he still leaves for the ladies, he's still the winner. Who's next? Want to see it? Bring forth the car, so scared, so scared, so scared. Okay. Another Z car, another. They're printing Z cars back there. To the right, right. Yeah, okay, okay. Because that is real carbon fiber. No matter what happens, this is pretty. How do you feel right now? You, the passenger, how do you feel? You feel good? Okay. Sometimes they're like, I thought we were going to get people. All right, the blue Z car, give it to me in 3, 1, go! That little push right at the end, right? Oh, baby, you thought I was done? Thought I was more, a little more. You good? You want to give me a little taste and a little push? Yes! All right, that was our Z car. Let's hear it from our current champion in the Acura. Give it to me in 3, 2, 1, go! Just in case you forgot.
Ain't no contest.
The blue Z car.